neighborhood that don't have solar. And this is, our roof faces south and I'm moving west. This is our neighbor's roof. They've got a fair amount of shade from trees, so maybe not a perfect for solar roof. But we're gonna go one more house down. This roof here isn't bad. They have a good west-facing slope. I'll show you a fantastic roof here. Nothing but roof. Probably, I would say what? At least 800 square feet. Probably more. Maybe 1,000 square feet of roof space, south-facing, direct south-facing roof. No solar panels. That's 2 houses down from us. Here's the next house down to the west. It's exactly our model. Would be perfect for solar. No solar panels. South-facing again, direct south-facing. These 2 houses, unfortunately, a fair amount of sun, but I bet up top there, you probably could get a good amount of panels, at least a 3 or 4 kilowatt system. Same here. I can't remember how many houses that is. I've only walked maybe 50 meters. There's another perfect for solar house. Flat rooftop, nothing but rooftop, nothing but south-facing rooftop, no solar panels. And this, we're moving a little bit southeast now, but nonetheless, a great roof, nothing but flat rooftop. And that's just a snippet of our neighborhood. Here's an east-facing roof. As you can see, there's so much potential for solar in our area, in Colorado, in sunny Colorado, and it's not being realized. Instead, we're pumping fossil fuels into the air and destroying our environment when we don't need to. Here's some more perfect for solar roofs in our neighborhood. Nothing but south-facing roof. Nothing but south-facing roof, that's right. The sun is shining from the east right now. South-facing roof. South-facing roof. No shade. It's our neighbor Mark and Mary's house. So they have exactly the model that we do. In fact, they get more sun. They have less shade. We have a tiny bit of shade in the winter in our south-facing roof. South-facing roof, no solar panels. Could fit a 7, probably a 9 or 10 kilowatt system if they sideways the panels on their roof. And easily 10 kilowatt on that other roof back here. Nothing but south-facing roof. Nothing but roof. And unshaded roof to that. And there's our roof from afar. It looks like we're gonna be, you can see the trees there, but we're not shaded because the sun rolls here, and then it goes to the south. This is south from our area, and then I'm panning west. And behind our house, we're talking about north. So that's perfect south-facing roof. Let's walk up to it. The solar guys, REC Solar, who installed our system, said usually, or often when they put up a solar system on a house, that they get other people in the neighborhood. I'm unfortunately not very optimistic about our neighborhood. We don't quite fit in our neighborhood. We have great neighbors here, and we love our neighborhood. It's on a dead end. We back to the golf course, but let's just say the ethic here is not, as far as I know, not one of Boulder, Colorado, for instance. So, and green is still the primary motivation for people to go solar, although you save money in the long term and actually can save quite a bit of money depending on the incentives in your state. And we have some, as I said, some really nice neighbors, but if you can use recycling as a measure, in our little neighborhood here with probably, I don't know, 35, 40 houses, we have, I'd say maybe 10 at most who put out recycling, and the rest don't bother to recycle. That's, I think, a decent barometer of relative greenness of individuals, if they're willing to put in a little bit of effort to recycle or not. Okay, there it is. 5.6 kilowatts of raw electric power.